Halo semuanya, selamat datang di Talk and Repeat English. Di sini, kamu bisa mendengar, mengulang, dan benar-benar memahami percakapan sehari-hari. Tema kali ini adalah asking direction, atau menanyakan arah. Video ini dibuat dengan intonasi agak lambat, agar kamu dapat memahami kalimat per kalimat. Mari kita mulai.
Excuse me, how can I get to the bank?
Go straight, then turn right at the second corner.
Turn right at the first or second corner?
The second one. You'll see a post office. The bank is next to it.
Is it far from here?
No, just 5 minutes on foot.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where's the nearest school?
Go straight, then turn left after the traffic light.
Wait, after the light, left?
Yes, then go up the small hill. The school is on your right.
Go up the hill. Okay. Is it big?
Yes, you'll see a blue gate.
Okay, thanks a lot. Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight and keep going until you see the bridge.
Wait, the bridge?
Yes, then go down the stairs under the bridge.
Is there a shortcut?
Yes, turn left before the big store.
Okay, I see. Thank you. Excuse me, how do I get to the bus terminal?
Walk straight, then turn right after the park.
Do I go up or down there?
Down a little slope.
Is the terminal on the left side or right side?
On the left side.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me, where is the hospital?
Go straight ahead, then turn left.
Is it up the hill or down the hill?
Up the hill, just a little.
Is there a sign?
Yes, a big blue sign.
Okay, thank you so much. Excuse me, where is the police station?
Go straight, then turn right at the traffic light.
Is it far from here?
Not too far, around 5 minutes.
Do I need to go up the stairs?
Yes, one small staircase.
I see. Thank you.
Excuse me, is there a restaurant nearby?
Yes, there's a nice one across the street.
What kind of food do they serve?
Mostly local food, but they also have burgers and pasta.
Is it expensive?
Not at all. The prices are reasonable.
Oh, okay. I see. Excuse me. How do I get to the airport?
You can take a taxi. It's faster than the bus.
How long does it take by taxi?
Around 20 minutes if the traffic is good.
Is it far from the city center?
Not really, but avoid rush hour.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me, where can I find the bus station?
The bus station? It's near the post office.
Oh, really? How far is it from here?
About 10 minutes on foot.
Should I go left or right?
Turn left, then walk straight until you see a big blue building.
Oh, I see.
Excuse me, where is the coffee shop?
Go straight for about 1 minute, then turn right at the bookstore, then walk down the small stairs.
Is the coffee shop on the left side or the right side?
On the right side, next to the flower shop.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest bank is?
Sure. There's a bank just a few minutes walk from here.
Oh, really? Is it far from this street?
Not at all. Go straight for about 2 blocks, then turn right. You'll see the bank next to a supermarket.
Got it. So, straight ahead, then right at the corner?
Exactly. You'll also notice a big white sign that says Central Bank.
Perfect. Is it still open now?
Yes, it closes around 4 p.m., so you still have time.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
Terima kasih sudah belajar bersama hari ini. Semoga pelajaran ini membawa manfaat dan menambah semangatmu untuk terus belajar. Jangan lupa untuk like, share, dan subscribe agar semakin banyak orang bisa belajar bersama. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya.